Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to add follow button on Facebook page. You can see by default your Facebook page would not have an option of follow. Instead, it would have an option of like or message. To check it first, just tap on the three dots right here and tap on view as. And you can see it says add friend. If it is a profile instead of page, it's gonna say add friend. It's pretty much the same for both page and a profile. So the way that you add in a follow option is you just switch to professional mode. So from your profile, tap on the three dots and tap on turn on professional mode. So professional mode is a mode on Facebook which lets you monetize your Facebook. As you can see, it says right here, tap on turn on. And once the professional mode has been turned on, you can head back, and if you tap on the three dots again and tap on view as, you can see the follow button now has been added to your profile. So this is the option which is available when you turn on the professional mode. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.